In this video, I'm going to explain to you a detailed overview of OpenAI. Okay, I'm going to explore to the ChartGPT interface, where I will show you exactly how you can able to do several things at a time using this automated AI robot. Now, in my last video, I talk about this on the introduction part of it, which is you can see the video right away on the channel, which is Legit Cash Business TV. So go through that video right away. But in this video, I'm going to just give you a detailed explanations that regard to this particular OpenAI. What is in for you as a business person? What is in for you as a marketer? What is in for you as a copywriter or even a book seller? So this video is going to be packed with value. If you enjoy watching our videos or any of our videos on our channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, which is Legit Cash Business TV. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon, because we make updates on several topics that relate to how to make money online in Nigeria and even beyond. My name is Shedrach, as I said earlier, and this is Legit Cash Business TV. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is ChatGPT, which is one of the products of OpenAI. So when you come here, you can see here that you can see ChatGPT here. So when you click on it, you can actually know about what is ChatGPT and everything about it. Now, in my last video, I talk extensively on what is actually ChatGPT. You can go through the channel to watch the video. But if you look at here, you can see that ChatGPT is like a product of an OpenAI. Okay. Now, it's an optimizing language model for dialogue. We have trained a model called ChartGPT, which interacts in a conventional way. Okay, dialogue format make it possible for ChartGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenges, incorrect permissive, and rejecting appropriate requests. ChartGPT is a sampling model to instructor GPT, okay, which is trained to follow an instruction on a prompt and it provided detailed response. So this is exactly what is a ChatGPT, okay? Now this ChatGPT is like, if you go to Google, if you want to type any questions on Google, it's similar to it, but this time around, it responds to you on a dialogue box format, in the sense that follow up your conversations and all that. So, but let me just do a kind of a demonstration for you so that you're able to understand everything about this AI. So when you click on try here, when you click on try, it will take you to the ChatGPT interface. But before you can get to this interface, you need to sign up with your email. Your Gmail account is all it is needed. You can also synchronize their email, already existing email. But if you don't want to do the synchronization, just you can easily open an account on chat.openai.com. Okay, it's very free, completely free. You don't pay anything to get started. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you can also easily sign up with this platform. So remember, this platform is completely new and is going to change how everything is done digitally, especially it has to do with copywriting, especially has to do with how to generate content in several kind of form. I'm going to show you in a brief. So when I was exploring the AI, you can see here, you can see some of my queries. I was able to put some of my queries and it was able to give me an answer. But right now, I'm going to do a try so that you're able to understand that everything I'm saying in this video is correct, okay? So I want you to go ahead and make a practice of this, because we are going to be making several review tutorials about this particular AI. This AI is going global, and this is actually a global AI. It's not like maybe within. So ChatGPT is an open AI product. So when I come here, all I have to do is, for instance, anything you want to type, basically want to type anything, you just have to put it there. For instance, I want to type how to make money online in Nigeria. How to make money online in Nigeria is a keyword I intend to explore. So I'll just click on submit here. So the OpenAI will gradually begin to type for me, explaining to me how possible is it to make money online in Nigeria. You can see how the AI is writing like never before. So it's going to tell me everything about how to make money online. So this is really incredible, isn't it? You can see everything that is written here. You can see here there are several ways to make money online in Nigeria, including freelancing. You can offer your skills and services as a freelancer on a platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancers. Okay, online tutoring. If you have expertise in particular subject, you can offer tutoring services online through platform like iTutor, okay, tutor.com or Wisint. Okay, selling products online. You can sell products online through platform like Jumia, Konga, Amazon. You can also create your own store using platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. This is incredible, isn't it? Because everything that this AI is saying is absolutely correct. It's not like maybe it's giving you a wrong answer. Now, for instance, if I want this AI to now, okay, please explain more. Okay, you can easily practically tell this AI to do, please. I will just say, please explain more. Just put it like this. Then what it means is that this AI we now say, sure, here is more detailed explanations. How is here more detailed explanation in online money making? So he will go further to explain to me what I have already asked him. The AI need to say, please, it's not him or her, please. It will go further to explain to me each of these topics. It will now give more explanation to each topics, making it possible for me to understand more about the topic I just asked this AI. So this is really incredible, isn't it? This is really incredible, guys. This is really it's going to completely change the way we bloggers or content creators or digital marketers right come 2023. So please, if you are getting value from this video, please do well to subscribe to our channel, because I'm going to explain to you how you can make a lot of money using this OpenAI called ChartGPT. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification icon if you are getting value from this video. Now look at the questions I've asked, and this is the result I have gotten so far. Now, it did not just end there. If I answer, okay, if I tell the robot to summarize, please summarize, okay? For instance, I will tell the robot summarize. You can even, if you have, make mistake, you can easily rephrase it to give you option to rephrase. Please summarize this. Or better still, I can say, please, more details. More what? Details. As you can easily get more information as things, as like, if you're not satisfied with the current information you got from the previous one, you can easily get more in details. So this is how the AI works, guys. And then this AI is very, very interesting in the sense that it gives you several avenues for you to exploit the machine, just like Google. But this time around, Google is giving you a bunch of several kind of what's it called, websites. But here in OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, you don't need to kind of go through all the whole several websites, but everything is mirrored down for you to give you the exact information that you are looking for. And that is how this ChatGPT work. Now, if you now say, please summarize, he will now begin to summarize everything he has said and give you. So this is how it is. Now, I'm going to give you in the next video on this follow-up tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how you can make nothing less than $1,000 using this OpenAI. So you can only get this information when you are subscribed to the channel, because I'm going to give you explanation how you're able to make up to $5,000, $1,000 a month in this technology called ChartGPT. So if you're enjoying the value, please do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icons, and then whenever I have this kind of information released, you'll be notified right away. You can easily type a different thing if you don't want this kind of a query that I just asked. You can type several things. Like if you want to get started with a new query, you just click on new chat. Is very, very simple. Click on new chat. If you click on new chat, it will take you to open a new chat dialog box for you to get started. You can see it here. So when you come here, what do you want to ask? You ask any question, okay? For instance, if I now say maybe top 5 blogging topic on how to make money online in Nigeria. You can see how intelligent question I'm asking this AI. This AI will go further to explain to me top 5 blogging topics. Okay. So you can see everything is explaining to me top 5 blogging topic on how to make money online. So, and everything is detailed the way it's supposed to be. So this is how this OpenAI is working like magic. It's really working like magic. Now, if I now say, please explain more. Explain each topic. As you explore the AI, you get to know the AI more, okay? Say, oh, so you now begin to explain to me all these top topic that I've just said. Now, with this, you can be able to do so many things using this ChatGPT, which I'm going to show you in the next video. I'm going to show you in the next video how you can use this technology to do several things at a time. But I'm just showing you this video that this thing is going crazy, guys. It's going crazy. And you have to get started right away. Remember, this is completely free. There's no need for you to be able to, what's it called? For you to be able to make any kind of registration, maybe payment or whatsoever, is completely free, guys. Now, you may ask yourself, oh, Mr. Shedrach is only for text, people that are also, you can see that every explanation I give in this is correct, is 100% correct. There's no explanation that is not correct. You can see it here. Let me just read through. You can see that freelancing is the practice of offering your professional services to a client on a project by project basis rather than working as an employee for a single company. There are many websites and platforms that allow you to find freelancer work, such as Upwork. Okay, so you can see every detailed explanation is given on each topics that you are doing. For instance, if maybe a lecturer watching this video may ask herself, is it possible to solve mathematics? Or maybe a math teacher is 100% possible. I am not a math teacher, please, but if I say, for instance, 5x plus, before now, I don't, 5x plus 6, for instance, if I say, I don't mathematical expression, please. I don't. I could. I don't have anyone in my head. Now, if I solve 5x plus 4. For instance, if I put the equation here, let me see if you can be able to solve the equation. Wow, this is incredible, guys. This is very much incredible. I am beginning to, I want to run out of, where I am recording this video. I want to this is look at it. To solve this equation, you need to find the value of the unknown quantity represented by the. Do you get it now? To make this equation true, to solve this equation, you can start by isolating the variable x on one of the side of the equation. To do this, you can subtract 4 from both sides of the equations. You can say 5x plus 4 is minus 4 is equals to, you can see this simplified to this. Then you can isolate the variable by dividing both sides of the equating 5. Okay, now you can see it here. You can see this simplified to this. Now you can substitute the value of the unknown quantity back into the equation to find the solutions. So you can see it here. If you know the value of the unknown quantity, you can substitute it and solve for x. If you do not know the value of the unknown quantity, the equation is considered unsolved. So this is it, guys. You can use it to solve mathematical expression. What about developers? People that are into developer. Can you do anything with ChatGPT? The answer is 100% yes. Before now, developers, for you to be able to write code, you need to think. But right now, if I say, okay, write a simple code to create a forum, Okay, so I will just say write a simple code to create a forum. So you begin to write this code, guys. This is incredible. You can see it. Everything is writing it, guys. I'm a programmer. I know what I'm saying, guys. This is really crazy. This is really going to a kind of, you can see this is crazy. This is crazy. ChatGPT. This is really incredible. Technology has gone, nuclear. It has gone beyond repair. Now, if this video interests you, please do well. This is Legit Cash Business. Please subscribe. Don't leave this channel without subscribing. Imagine this kind of, imagine this. I told this AI, say, write a simple code to create a forum. You say, here is a simple example of how you might create a forum using Python and Flask. You can see it. He give me every code. Okay. You can see it now. You can see everything. You can see everything. You can see everything. This thing is really incredible. This code creates a simple Flask application with trade routes. You can see it. Then, if you write this code now to create the actual forum, you must need to create a HTML template for the index and forum pages and include form for creating new trade on the forum pages. You would also need to create a database and write the save trade function to save the more this is just an example, and there are many ways you could expand on this basic forum to add additional features and functions. So if I now ask you, please add a login and registration code. For instance, I will now say, here is an example of how you might add a login and registration code forum I previously in my previous response. So this thing is just like a human being, guys. This is incredible, guys. This is incredible, guys. Okay, so if you're a developer, this is the time you go to your village, please, but don't mistake that. But this is a time you can use the experts, a kind of, you can utilize the privilege given to you by this OpenAI to further enhance your career. Okay, enhance your career. You can see that this intelligent OpenAI go further to explain to me how I can add registration and because you have to ask intelligent question for you to get intelligent answer, just the way it is on Google. You don't just come to Google, you need to ask Google intelligent question to get intelligent answer. So if you enjoy value, if you get value from this video, because I don't drop values like this before, okay, I do drop value occasionally, but if you are subscribed to the channel, you can see that I will be dropping this kind of value, and if you are commenting and liking and sharing this post, it will make me to say, these people like this, you like this, and I will get more further videos that explain to you in depth on how to get about this, because this is an open AI, and if you are not guided on how to make use of it, you may just be exploring it for in vain. But if you are subscribed and you are asking intelligent question either on WhatsApp or forum that we have created on WhatsApp, or even on the YouTube channel, that will make me to now say, these people, you are actually interested in what I am posting. Then I will go further to explain to you how you best for you to come up with something that really works out using this open AI. You can see that here is an example of how you might add a login and registration system to the forum code I provided in my previous response. So ordinarily, if you're a developer, all you have to do is to click copy code. You can just go and paste it on where you want to now. Now, another question that you may ask, remember, each questions we are asking is like a claim. Now, if you now say, how can I add this code to a web host? For instance, this is a question I asked. I said, how can I add this to a web host? To host your forum on a web host, you need to follow this step. Sign up for a web hosting services. This can support Python. It will just give you exact thing you need to do. It will just give you the exact thing you need to do. So there is nothing too strange about this ChatGPT, other than giving you the exact thing you need to do. So please, this video is more a detailed explanation of how you can exploit this technology. I don't want to go further on this because there is a lot to come on this. So please do well to subscribe to the channel, as I said earlier. Turn on the bell notification icon because I'm going to be making an update, serious updates on this. And then if that interests you, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the ChatGPT. Use the link to sign up on the description of this video so that you can know more about this technology. Thanks and God bless.